Hey guys, it's the DLR fam and we are back with another video. So as you guys can see, we are outside and we are doing a slime video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. My bad, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell your friends and your family to do the same. But here we go with the video.
Channel today
Video.
Okay,
so today, as you guys can see, the boys, sorry, the sun is really out here, but the boys is about to do the slime. So get a bowl and a spoon. What color y'all choosing? Y'all can choose the big glue and y'all can choose the liquid stuff.
I don't know how to do it.
Y'all look at Naya. So the boys already got started. Avi chose blue glue and DJ chose pink glue. And Avi chose this activator. It's like I don't know what kind of color this is. Hey DJ, which one you choosing? DJ, what is you doing? Say hey to my cousins.
Say what's up.
DJ, you gotta put one of these in there too. They making some slime. Okay, so Avi, why you pour a little? Y'all, I think I gotta help Avi. I didn't even bring my tripod out here or my ring light. Hold on, y'all. Okay, now Avi start. Y'all, it's so hot out here. It is Saturday and it is like 80 degrees. Huh?
Look.
Dang, DJ. Let me help y'all out.
You said for all of it.
Alright, y'all, so I'm trying to help Avi out.
Guys, look at mine. Do y'all think it's done? Comment at the end.
Yeah, let me see your pink glue.
Good.
Cause I think it's too much white stuff. Okay, y'all, I'm trying to help Avi out because I think he poured too much activator. By the way, we got this kind. I got my ring light out here, but it ain't plugged up or nothing. It is a nice day outside.
Now, when I'm doing this one, can I make me another one? With the people?
Y'all, I'm trying to save his slime.
Ah! That don't look nothing like me. Like mine.
Wait.
I need a few. Huh?
No, you can do that. You can use pink.
Oh, can I pick this up? Wait, quick. Bro. It's so sticky.
Y'all, if y'all know me, y'all know I do not like slime in my house. Nor Play-Doh. Ew.
Mama, then you gotta stir it some more and make it get like this.
If I do this, maybe it'll work. Y'all, this what AV slime look like. Alright, you wanna finish it? You do this and start back working. See? Like this. Y'all, now I'm about to make me one. It's a little. I don't know how it's gonna turn out.
You mixed it up. Then you got it.
Alright, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the boys making slime. Again, this slime was not expensive. This was like $10, I believe, at Walmart. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share, and tell a friend and a family. And make sure you guys turn on your notification bell so when we drop a video, it'll come straight to your phone and you won't miss it. Y'all want to say something to the vlog?
Bye, guys. We're going to see you later.
We'll see you guys next video, and it'll be real soon.
Yeah.
We out. Bye.
Hey, guys. You're back. We back. So this is how my slime turned out like. This is how my slime turned out. Oh my. I think I put too much activator in here.
Y'all look at my hands.